everyone, welcome to Maximizing Mondays. I am Dr. Reshma, the Catalyst. Today I am going to talk to you about mindsets, growth mindsets. I remember wise words of Winston Churchill when he said, "Success is not final and failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." Aren't they really wise words? We really need to ponder over them. According to psychologist Erikson, he has defined stages of human development. He says that every stage there are challenges throughout the life. And in order to go to the next stage, we need to overcome those challenges. But many a times, those challenges imprint certain beliefs in us. And those beliefs can be debilitating. Those beliefs can be detrimental to our growth and development. Because in that process, we develop a very different worldview, a very static view of the world, that nothing can be changed. It's all static. So what are mindsets? Mindsets are those set of beliefs that you develop in a given situation, and that influences the way you think, feel, behave at any point of time when you face those challenges. Now there are two types of mindsets: fixed mindset and growth mindset. When we talk about fixed mindset, the person who has fixed mindset will always assume that nothing can be changed, nothing can be acquired. You are born with it. You just don't have it in you. They don't believe in learning and acquiring those skills because that is their belief, a strong belief. And their behavior revolves around the same belief. And they don't move an inch towards their success or towards their goal. On the other hand, a person with a growth mindset will always believe in learning, will make challenges an opportunity to learn, will believe very strongly that everything can be learned, acquired, whether it's leadership, whether it's creativity, or whether it's intelligence. Everything can be learned. And that growth mindset takes the person where the person wants to reach, the highest pinnacle. Able to succeed because they are not going behind success. They are going and trying to understand the process of learning, of evolving. And don't we all as humans need to evolve? Yes, we do, right? That is the basic difference between a person with a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. We can fix the fixed mindset. We can become people having a growth mindset. There are certain things you need to do, you need to follow. The first thing, just focus on the journey. Because it's the journey that makes us what we are. Just focus on that journey which takes us. We will have challenges around in life, but that doesn't mean we stop. Focus on that journey. Incorporate yet in your language. I am yet to be the best version of myself. It's not I can't be the best version of myself or I am what I am. I can't change. People who say that are saying from the point of view of a fixed mindset person. So, you need to change the way you talk, your language. Replace all the negatives to positives. I can't do this, I can't do that, I am not made for this, I am not made for that. Just stop saying that. Be open. Everything can be learned. We all have learned and come. We did not learn things from our mother's womb. We are here because we've all learned. Every stage we learned something new. So we need to understand that. Right? It is very important if you want to get out. Embrace all the imperfections. Nobody is perfect. Embrace those imperfections. If you don't have one thing, you may have another. Explore that and just embrace it. Don't take other people's success as insecurities. Take them as inspiration. Don't get threatened by their success, their achievements. Take the same as inspiration and try to evolve on your own. Instead of sitting and telling that, oh, the person was successful because he was doing all sorts of things. Oh, he's useless. I don't know how he's actually become. Hello? He's been actually working on himself and you've been sitting there and cribbing about life, about things around you. And the person has taken action. So action takers always achieve. People who sit there and say, I want to take that action, never are able to achieve anything in life. So we need to learn to do that. See them as inspiration. Learn from them. Try to find what did they do that they are successful. Try to learn from them. You can learn from everyone. So do that. Dr. Dweck, the American psychologist, also says that growth mindsets can take you places, can help you reach the highest pinnacle of your career, of your life. Because there is growth. You see growth as an opportunity in every challenge. No obstacles are obstacles for you. Nothing is impossible. Everything says I am possible. So it really changes. It makes the entire action completely change when you change your mindset. It is really helpful, and people who are growth mindsetters will actually be able to achieve. So if you want to achieve, change yourself. Change the way you look at things. Change your beliefs. I hope you like this video, and if you did like this video, please show a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also share with your family and friends. I'll see you on Thursday, Transformational Thursdays. Yes, I'll be there with you with another interesting topic, right? So until then, bye. Take care and be safe.